Alrighty, good morning, YouTube peeps. It's Thursday morning. Markets will open up in about 15 seconds. Got a trend line here. I'm watching for a potential breakout. This one already broke down, as you can see right there. So we will just kind of see what happens this morning. Okay, market's open. Here we go. This is a small account challenge. I'm only allowed to do one contract on MNQ at a time, so I hope that you guys can help keep me accountable for that. We're going to let this first candle, maybe first few candles form, and then we'll see what we see. A lot of sellers right now, that's for sure. Let's see, a potential place that we could get a little bounce down here. I might be willing to. Oh, there we go. Going a super tight stop loss. See if we can get this bounce. How did it not get filled? What's happening here? Okay, well, I should have got fill on that. I don't know. Oh, something's not right with this application, with this trading platform. Look, I've got orders sitting here and I can't get out. That's lovely. Wow, that was a smoking trade too. Look at that. That is just frustrating. Oh yeah, now look, now it says one. Plus, like, do you see that delay? This is crazy. Well, let's just get out. Wow, what is happening? Well, maybe today's not going to be a trading day. Okay, well, it looks like I finally got out a $54 profit. That was great, but would have liked to have seen. Let's see if I can actually see where. All right, so that's where I got in, but you guys saw it was super delayed. So I got in there, got out there. Yeah, that's all right. Frustrating. I wonder why that was so delayed. Nobody else was reporting an issue this morning. I don't know. Internet speed seems to be fine. But that was a fantastic trade. Played that bounce right there. See the previous area here. Put an order in, nice tight stop loss, and that was great. And for a small account challenge, I'm almost up 10% just in one trade. So that was good. Okay, it looks like the orders are working. It's clearing. I don't know. There's that opening minute or two was super delayed. I'll tell you what, not really comfortable trying that trade again, but we could throw on some Fibonacci's, at least get a measurement here. If the price action comes back up to this 61.8 level, might be interested in putting a short on at that point. Yeah, obviously I was a little concerned about that double bounce. Now here's the overnight low. That would have been in a good area if I was a little more on my game there. I was going to say another place for a potential bounce, but that's okay. Hmm. Just waiting to see if anything shows up here. You see how big the gap is between where the price action is and where the moving averages are. I have found it for me, it makes it tricky to trade because there's nothing to say this thing just won't shoot back up here and hit these. Um, and just like that, it could also continue to drop. So it's a tricky way to trade right now with the conditions. So I'm just going to sit back on my hands. Why are you moving like that, sir? Obviously, I'm doing the wrong thing. There we go. Okay. Okay, it doesn't like. See, gold is down. Hold on. Yeah, gold is down. Silver is down. S&P 500 is down. So everything's looking a little red today. I'd be interested in taking a short position this overnight low area. I would want to see this price action at least come up and hit this 61.8. Then I would consider it because then I have a nice little RVR box right here. Okay, hit that. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go for a short here with a stop above that price. Once it gets filled, okay, we're stops in, and now we'll just kind of see what happens. I'm going to bring this down because it's a green trade. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm going to put it right above that candle wick. Throw out an order here. Might hit it, who knows? Could just wick down real fast. But either way, it's a green trade. It's a great place to be as a trader. And if it gets hit, I'm going to hit this. Can't. There we go. All right, well, there we go. 66 bucks. That's almost exactly 10% of my account balance. So yeah, for the small trade, with the small balance trading, I would say this was a successful day. So everybody will catch you back here hopefully tomorrow morning, and everyone have a good day. Later.